Let's discuss the question that I gave yesterday on subchapter mass spectrometry. Let's see number 1. A mass spectrometer was used to analyze a sample of oxygen gas in which the most abundant isotope was oxygen 16. The oxygen was ionized and the ions were accelerated by an electric field. Suggest the formula of different ions containing oxygen 16 isotope which might be formed on the mass spectrometer. So what could be formed? First, the oxygen can lose one electron. The oxygen can lose two electrons, and then oxygen molecule in the form of ion, and then oxygen molecule that lost two electrons. So all these are possible. So this is the possible answer for the question. So we know that in mass spectrometer we have to see the highest mass to charge ratio to get the molar mass of the molecule. Remember, in mass spectrometry the molecule is in the form of ions. Now, number 2, the second point. Which part of the mass spectrometer separates the ions of different mass? It is the magnetic field. Mass spectrometer is detected by the electricity, and then there is deflected by magnetic field. Let's continue this one. B. The following result obtained for the atoms oxygen in the sample. So there are three isotopic oxygen. Oxygen 16, oxygen 17, and oxygen 18 with their own relative abundances. And then this one we have to find the relative atomic mass of the oxygen. So find here using the formula in which you had done when you studied about the atomic mass, the chapter structure of atoms. Already calculate the relative atomic mass. So the relative atomic mass is here 3 decimal place, but in A level usually we have to write in 3 significant figure. So the answer has to be 16. And then next, in the first half of the 20th centuries, oxygen was used as the standard for relative atomic mass. The unit of atomic mass is defined as 1/16 the mass of an oxygen atom. It was in the first half 20th century. It was based on the oxygen, but what we are doing right now is based on the carbon. Suggest one reason why the use of this standard was discontinued. Oxygen standard was introduced before the existence of oxygen isotopes. So oxygen was used because there was no isotopes found yet. And then some scientists use the standard based on one isotope, while others use value based on the mixture in natural abundances. And then there could be answer 12 carbon is standard because there are many 12 carbon compounds which can be used to calibrate the mass spectrometer. So, and also it's quite difficult to get pure oxygen from the air. How to get pure oxygen from the air? Pure carbon, many, but pure oxygen is difficult. Now, next, how would you expect the first electron affinities of oxygen 16 and oxygen 18 to differ? Oxygen 18 and oxygen 16, they are isotope of oxygen because they have the same proton number and they have different neutron. So electron affinity is the ability to gain electron. So would you expect the first electron affinity differ? There is no difference. Why? Because electron affinity is based on the number of electron, and both oxygen 16 and oxygen 18, they have the same electronic configuration. Next, this one, number 2. This question is about the use of mass spectrometer. Bromine has two isotopes, bromine 79 and bromine 81. And then explain the term isotopes by reference to subatomic particles. Both of them, 79 bromine and 81 bromine, they are called as isotopes because they have the same number of proton, which is 35, and then they have different number of neutron. Bromine 79, they have 44, and then for bromine 81, it has 46 neutrons. Then B, the presence and abundance of these isotopes can be determined using a mass spectrometer shown in the diagram below. Okay, so the sample is vaporized, and then there is an electric field, and then there is an amplifier, and then goes to the recorder. Okay, explain how ions are produced in the area labeled A. So how come ions are produced here? There is a high energy electron are being fired at the electrons use electron gun. Okay, the result is loss of electrons. Thus, it forms a positive ion. So the sample vaporized. How come become ion here? It's because of high electron energy is fired at the this one, the sample, that makes the ions loss, makes the molecule loss its electron, become ion. And then next, state what is used to deflect the ions moving through the mass spectrometer in the area labeled B. It is the magnetic field or electromagnet. Explain why there is a vacuum in mass spectrometer. The vacuum is used for this one. Particles in the air will interfere or will disturb the movement of the ions. So, or with the movement of the ions, and then there is a not until the recorder, and then also not go to the amplifier, so not detected. So, in order to make it not no reaction at all, no disturbances, it has to be in vacuum. Next, complete the mass spectrum below for the bromine gas that contains half bromine 79 and half bromine 81. Both of them, remember, the mass to charge ratio has to be at 79 and 81. Okay, remember here the question is asking for bromine gas. Bromine gas is Br2. So there are 3 possibilities. Remember yesterday that I told you Br 79 and 79 will form one height. 81 with 81 also one height, while 79 and 81 will be 2 times. So the ratio is 1 to 1. If you could remember, M plus 2 peaks and M plus 4 peaks. Please open the presentation about that one. Now D is calculating the relative atomic mass of bromine based on this one, based on the percentage abundancy and then also the nuclear, and found that the relative atomic mass is 80. I don't think you have problem in this. What would be the effect if any on the molar to charge ratio of the peak if the ion detected had lost 2 electrons rather than 1 electron? And then the value will be, the molar to charge value would be half. And also so this one is, if we say the peak also half, it is wrong. So only the mass to charge ratio. Okay. Next, one of the uses of mass spectrometer, it is we are on the last page. Mass of the spectrometer is for detection of banned substances such as anabolic steroid in blood and or urine sample taken from competitors in sports event. Suggest 2 precautions that are necessary to ensure the result of any analysis would be valid. So on precautions, we have to keep the sample to be sealed. No heat loss or heat gain, no reaction occurring. And then the sample has to be labeled properly, and then the sample must be kept under controlled temperature. And then there are still the result. Remember, the result have to be repeated and then take average for the reliability of the test. Now, these substances can give competitors an unfair advantage, such as why the use of these substances may be concern to the user. Okay, why is the anabolic steroid is become concern? It is health concern. Why? Because it is cause depression and then burst of anger, and then can be acts of violence. Also can have many effects. Suggest one other use of mass spectrometer become the last question. The another use of for mass spectrometer is for calculation of the relative atomic mass or calculation relative molecular mass, and then also for pharmaceutical medicine, and then for carbon dating, for in airport security. So there are around 3. You just need to mention one of those uses. Okay, so this is the end of the discussion for worksheet mass spectrometry.